Hey there, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke with a instant cash solution update for you. And in this video, I want to show you some results that I have been getting with my instant cash solution home-based business. And wow, this is a very simple copy and paste ads platform. And I want to show you a brief overview. If you don't know what it is, I'm going to show you an overview. I'm also going to get to some results. I just got off a week's vacation in Florida with my family, so I'm all rested up and ready to rock and roll again. And I want to show you some results that I had while on vacation, and it's just unbelievable as far as the instant cash solution program here. Also, well, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I really appreciate it. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to generate a full-time or part-time income so you can create financial freedom or time freedom. And really, that's what it's all about, isn't it? To spend more time with your family. And of course, to spend that kind of time with your family, you need money, right? And so I can show you this system right now. It's really awesome. Everything is included, and you can make $100, $200, $300, and even $500 instant commissions direct to your PayPal account. And I'm going to do a brief overview for you. I'm going to show you some results, and I've got something very special that I put in place for those people who join me in this system, and you certainly don't want to miss that. That's towards the end of this video. But here we go. I just have a very brief overview for you, and then I'm going to show you some results that I've gotten while on vacation for a whole week. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, so what exactly is Instant Cash Solution? Well, ICS is a member-to-member instant pay program with an emphasis on free traffic generation and low-cost traffic generation training. Okay, so I've been online for over 9 years, and I get this question every single week. Okay, they say, "Hey Dan, I really don't have a lot of money to advertise. Where should I go? Is there anything free? Is there any free advertising?" Well, this program here is all about that. Okay, there's so much training in the back office, it's unbelievable. So this was created by a guy by the name of Rich Meyer, really a stand-up guy, and he has created this program, and he's put a lot of training and everything right in the back office, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what's back there in 1 minute. So we currently have 4 membership levels: the bronze, 100, the silver, 200, the gold, 300, and the platinum at $500. Okay, the higher you go up the membership levels, you'll get additional marketing and training resources, and members can earn 100% commissions on whatever level that they join at. Okay, and there's a whole compensation plan, but it's really easy. There's no one-up, there's no reverse one-up. It's straight 100% commissions direct to your PayPal account, and you can't beat that. It's unbelievable, and I'm going to show you some results, and this system is on fire. Okay, so let's check out the products really quickly. And here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a very extensive ICS training manual. Okay, and this manual will teach you how to copy and paste ads and using pre-written ads on social media sites, classified ad sites, online and offline, and on Craigslist. And they have all the display ads ready to go, and there's a lot of them. So if you want to post in Facebook groups, we have all the display ads for Facebook groups as well. So yeah, I think I just went over this. So it includes all the classified ads, all the text ads, all the headlines, all the banner ads, all the display ads, all the Facebook image ads, and the Craigslist ads, and all the headlines. And I think I said that, but I'm going too fast because I'm super excited. I want to show you some results here. But okay, and you're also going to get the ICS members back office and the ICS sales funnel, multiple capture pages, multiple landing pages, and sales tracking. And we have an autoresponder that really inboxes very well right in the back office. So there's really no need to get a third party autoresponder. And here's the thing about this one. You can actually email your list from within. Okay, so it has an email broadcast system. And that is really cool because not very many systems out there have the capabilities to do this. All right, here we are in the Instant Cash Solution back office here, and as you can see, it's me. Well, it's my email anyway. I can show you it's actually me in a minute here, but I'm gonna close out my little window right here. Okay, let's log in to the back office. Well, you know, first of all, I want to show you the date, okay, because it's kind of important what I want to tell you. All right, so it is 11:15. We're halfway through November. Okay, so Thanksgiving is next week, and what an awesome time to get started in your instant cash solution business is right now, so you can make some cash for the holidays and really come out swinging in the brand new 2019 year. Okay, so right now it is Thursday, November 15th. Okay, so we're halfway through the month. Just want to, okay, and I'm gonna bring this up here really quickly here again. And we're going to log in. Okay, and I want to show you that this is indeed my account, my profile, and that's me right there. My name, this is Dan Froelke. All right, so what I want to do, I'm going to go over here to my home again. We're going to scroll down to the commissions earned. All right, and here we are. Now, I want to bring this to your attention. So we're only halfway, okay, halfway through November. I'm at $8,300, $8,300 with this very simple copy and paste ads system. Oh, I should maybe move this over just a tad, huh? All right. Okay, so, and I started this last month. So here's what I did last month. Let's go to October. So last month I did over $7,000 with this very simple income stream. I've got 3 income streams. I've got Exodus Elite and Big Profit System. Okay, that's my high ticket business. In my opinion, it's the very best high ticket business out there, and I know exactly what's out there. I know the new programs out there, and I'm a firm believer that Big Profit System is the best high ticket business out there. Anyway, I'm getting off track. So last month with this very simple income stream, over $7,000. And this month, right here, November, I'm already at $8,300. I want to show you when I went on vacation, and that was last Saturday. Actually, the Saturday before that, and that was Saturday, November 3rd, and we came home on Saturday, the following Saturday, which was November 10th. All right, so just want to add this up for you. So here it is right here when we went on vacation. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, whoops, and then 46, 47, and 48. Okay, so that is actually, yeah, it's a little more. So it's $4,800 while I was on vacation enjoying the beautiful weather of Marco Island, Florida, and that's where we go all the time, and it's just an absolutely beautiful area. So that's my income results right now. And again, the month is only half over, and $8,300. And I usually get one sale, at least one sale every day, and it's just only getting better. So I predict this month is going to be about $18,000 to $20,000 with this one income stream, instant cash solution, a very simple copy and paste ads system, and everything's included. So there you have it, my results. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the team bonuses. And so I've put something in place that's really huge for my team, and it is really helping them out right now. They're getting a ton of traffic from this. It's my team traffic co-op. Okay, so no marketing is required with this done for you option. And my team traffic co-op allows you to leverage our buying power so you can get top tier traffic from a world-class solo ad provider at a deeply discounted price. Okay, so I'm working with an MLM and business opportunity traffic specialist, and he's a top solo ad provider, and he only sells top tier traffic. Okay, so he's agreed to give our team a really good deal on his traffic, about 50% off. And this guy is the real deal. He's considered one of the most sought after solo ad providers in the world, and he's very well respected in our community. I'm just really happy to have him aboard. He's actually went through our system. He just wanted to make sure that his traffic would work with our system, and it is working phenomenally. I'm getting a lot of sales from this, and this is one traffic generation method that I am using. All right, so I put this in place for my team members only, okay? And I've got something very special for those of you who join me at the $500 or $300 levels, okay? And all you have to do to see what that is to opt in on the link right below, and here's the page that you're going to be redirected to. You're going to be redirected to this page right here. It's kind of like a welcome bridge page here, and it is going to explain a little bit about myself. I introduce myself, but here's the thing. Here's my exclusive team bonuses right here, and this right here is unbelievable. Okay, now I remember I told you about my team traffic co-op. Well, I've got something very huge for those of you who join me at the $500 level or the $300 level. Okay, and this is for a limited time because this is coming right out of my pocket. I'm not blowing smoke there at all. This is coming right out of my pocket. So for a limited time, join me at the platinum level, which is the $500 level, and you'll be added to our existing team traffic co-op for 4 weeks. Okay, so that's 4 weeks of uninterrupted top tier traffic direct to your instant cash solution capture page, and there's a lot of awesome capture pages. And I also have something in place for those of you who join me at the $300 level. That's the gold level. Okay, so when you join me at that level, $300 level, you'll be added to our existing team traffic co-op for free for a period of 2 weeks. Okay, so that's 2 weeks of uninterrupted top tier traffic right to your instant cash solution capture page. So how is that for value? That's incredible value. And I also have a lot of team bonuses for everyone else as well. All these are for everybody right here who joins me in ICS. And if you want to see all these right now, all you have to do is opt in to the link right below, and you'll be taken to this page right here. So as always, I've got my contact information below, and I'm standing by to answer any of your questions. Okay? All right, thanks. This is Dan Froelke. Let's get back to the video. Okay, there you have it, my instant cash solution overview for you. Hope you enjoyed it. And it is a very simple copy and paste ads system. All right, so what I want you to do now, I want you to click the link below. You can find out a lot more about instant cash solution. You can find out more about me and all the bonuses I have for you when you join me in this fantastic system. And here's the deal. This system really can be whatever you want it to be, right? It can be a full-blown 6-figure plus income, or if you just want to put an extra $300 to $500 in your pocket per week, it can be that for you as well. So hey, I appreciate you watching my videos. As always, I know there's a bazillion of them out there, and if you give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that too. And remember to subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified each and every time that I upload a new video for you. All right, so with that said, click the link below, and I'll be standing by to answer any questions that you have my contact information right below. So with that said, I want you to have a great marketing day. Thanks.